You've been helpful with us. Everybody that you brought to us has been doing an amazing job with us. I'm grateful for it, and I'm grateful for the wisdom that you've shared with everybody as well.
You'd have done a lot of the legwork to establish some of that trust from the beginning. And so far, it's been nothing but a great experience.
So, with the VAs, I mean, man, it's made our local people, boots on the ground, been able to really step up into what they're best at.
He's a very skilled individual. He has the background. He was actually in nursing school, so he understands the healthcare market. He's very technical, he's very savvy. The fact that he works remote has not impacted us at all.
Over time, I started growing a team, and that REO admin background that MyOutDesk supported just really naturally, because we were already building systems and processes, it just naturally led to being a strong backbone of growing an effective team.
I think a virtual assistant is key. That is a part of our leveraging system that allows us to grow.
We've loved MyOutDesk based off the value of the candidate. It is significant cost savings. It's definitely a great opportunity if you're not ready to hire that full admin. What an opportunity to have a virtual professional to help you start your business and just see how much that leverage.
We have a virtual assistant with you that is awesome and helps our client service managers run their day-to-day business. So whether that's data entry, calendar invite, you name it, and she does it from the Philippines, and we absolutely love her. So she's a big support person for our client service managers, so they can in return support the agent.
I'm now starting to do the $12 an hour, the $5 an hour tasks that are hold me back from the $400, $500 an hour tasks, right? That are get mountain. All right, we need to have someone like a VA start to do some of these other tasks.
Help me leverage my business a lot.
Having that virtual professional has allowed me to say okay, I need a half an hour in between each of my appointments. These thank you cards need to go out. These people need to be added to my database. I need them to go on our drip campaign. So once you feel your schedule out of control, get in touch with Daniel and hire a virtual professional.
And it's just done I should be, why go through the entire process of trying to screen and interview and do the DISC test and do the IQ test? It's just too much and it's overwhelming. So I said, just let it be to the people who do it best. And that's why I came to you guys and hired my second virtual assistant.
I'm not going to be able to make $250,000 a year if I'm spending half my time doing $15 an hour work.